Let's take a look at how we can transfer some documents into our Google Drive. First, I'm going to navigate to Google. I'm going to make sure that I'm logged into my Middlesex Google account, and then I'm going to click on the chiclets to navigate to my Google Drive. Once in my Google Drive, I'm going to go to my drive, and I want to make sure that I organize my drive. So I'm going to first create a folder. I'll click Create and then Folder. I'm going to click Create, and here is the folder that I created. I want to make sure I know where I'm putting my information. Now that I have my documents folder created, I'm going to go back to New, and I'm going to File, Upload. This is where I'm going to navigate to find my documents, my Word documents. I can click on one, or I can click on one, hold down my Control key, and click on another one. This way I can upload as many as I would like. I'll click Open, and you'll notice down here they are uploading into Google. Once they have uploaded, it looks like this if it's a Word document. And then I want to open with Google Docs. This is the best way to make sure that the formatting from a Microsoft Word to a Google Doc stays as best as can be expected. And now I have my Microsoft document into my Google Drive. Once I have it in my Google Drive, I want to make sure that I do a File, and I'm going to save it as a Google Doc. Now you'll notice that as a Google Doc, that DOCX sign that used to be here on my other one, right here, is no longer here. This is how I know that it's a true Google document and no longer a Word document. When I go back to my drive, you'll see that this now indicates that this is a Google document. The W's will indicate that these are still Word documents. It also ends in the extension DOCX. For me, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to delete it because I don't want the Word version. I only want the Google version of it so that I don't get confused. And there you have it.